Let me take you through the Carnival Luminosa, one of the newest and largest ships in Carnival's impressive fleet. This Excel-class vessel launched in late 2023 and has already made quite the impression on cruise enthusiasts worldwide. With its massive 180,000 gross tonnage and capacity for around 6,500 passengers, this floating city promises an experience that balances family fun with modern luxury. The ship operates primarily from Miami, offering Caribbean itineraries that range from quick 3-night getaways to more comprehensive 7-night adventures. What makes the Luminosa special is not just its size, but how Carnival has managed to create intimate spaces within this massive vessel. The ship represents the pinnacle of Carnival's shipbuilding expertise, incorporating lessons learned from its sister ships Carnival Celebration and Carnival Jubilee. When it comes to accommodations, the Carnival Luminosa offers something for every budget and preference. The interior staterooms might not have windows, but they pack impressive functionality into their compact 150 to 170 square feet. These rooms feature modern flat-screen televisions, climate control, and surprisingly clever storage solutions that help maximize the limited space. The beds can be configured as twins or combined into a queen, and many interior rooms can accommodate up to 4 guests with pull-down beds. Ocean view staterooms bump up the space slightly to around 170 to 190 square feet and add that crucial connection to the sea through large windows. The natural light makes these rooms feel considerably more spacious than their interior counterparts. The views change throughout your journey, offering everything from endless ocean vistas to exciting port approaches that make waking up each morning feel like opening a present. Balcony staterooms represent the sweet spot for many cruisers, offering around 190 to 240 square feet of total space including the private balcony. These rooms transform your cruise experience by providing personal outdoor space where you can enjoy morning coffee while watching dolphins play in the ship's wake. The balconies come furnished with comfortable seating and offer the perfect spot for romantic dinners or quiet reading time away from the bustling public areas. The family harbor staterooms deserve special mention for their thoughtful design. These larger accommodations, ranging from 240 to 300 square feet, cater specifically to families with features like bunk beds and access to the exclusive family harbor lounge. The lounge provides a quiet retreat where parents can grab complimentary snacks and drinks while kids enjoy dedicated play areas. At the top tier, the various suite categories offer luxury that rivals land-based hotels. Junior suites provide around 320 square feet of space, while the grand suites can exceed 650 square feet. These accommodations feature amenities like whirlpool tubs, butler service, premium toiletries, and priority embarkation privileges. Suite guests also gain access to exclusive lounges and dining venues that provide a more refined cruise experience. The dining scene aboard Carnival Luminosa showcases the cruise line's commitment to culinary diversity and quality. The main dining room operates with flexible seating arrangements, allowing guests to dine when they want rather than being locked into specific times. The menu features classic American favorites alongside international dishes, with options that cater to various dietary preferences including vegetarian and gluten-free selections. Guy Fieri's influence appears throughout the ship's dining venues, most notably at Guy's Pig and Anchor Barbecue Smokehouse. This specialty restaurant charges an additional fee but delivers authentic barbecue experience with smoked ribs, pulled pork, and brisket that would make any pit master proud. The casual atmosphere and generous portions make it particularly popular with families and barbecue enthusiasts. Cucina del Capitano offers a more refined dining experience with its focus on Italian cuisine. The restaurant features handmade pasta, fresh seafood, and traditional Italian desserts like tiramisu. The intimate setting and attentive service create a romantic atmosphere perfect for special occasions or date nights. Reservations are essential, especially during sea days when demand peaks. The casual dining options truly shine on the Luminosa. Blue Iguana Cantina serves up Mexican favorites throughout the day, from breakfast burritos to late-night tacos. The Seafood Shack offers fresh catches and coastal favorites, while Alfredo's Pizzeria provides made-to-order pizzas that satisfy late-night cravings. These venues are included in your cruise fare, making them perfect for quick bites between activities. The pool areas on Carnival Luminosa create distinct zones for different types of relaxation and fun. The main pool complex buzzes with activity throughout the day, featuring multiple pools that cater to various age groups and energy levels. The family pools encourage interactive play with splash features and shallow areas perfect for younger children to safely enjoy the water. The adults-only pool area provides a sanctuary for those seeking quieter relaxation. This space features comfortable loungers, dedicated bar service, and a more refined atmosphere where conversation flows at normal volumes rather than competing with pool games and children's laughter. The hot tubs scattered throughout the pool decks offer perfect spots for evening socializing under the stars. Water slides and splash zones add excitement for thrill seekers and families alike. The slides range from gentle family-friendly options to more adventurous rides that get your heart pumping. The splash zones provide safe water play for toddlers and young children, giving parents peace of mind while kids burn off energy. The sun decks surrounding the pool areas offer hundreds of loungers with varying degrees of sun exposure and shade. Premium cabanas are available for rent, providing upgraded comfort with dedicated service, premium amenities, and exclusive seating areas. The outdoor bars keep refreshments flowing, from tropical cocktails to ice-cold beer and non-alcoholic options. Carnival Luminosa's activity offerings cater to every interest and energy level imaginable. The fitness center features modern equipment including cardio machines with ocean views, free weights, and space for group classes like yoga and Pilates. Personal training sessions are available for those wanting customized workout plans or technique improvement during their vacation. Sports enthusiasts can enjoy the basketball court, mini-golf course, and jogging track that circles the ship's upper decks. The jogging track provides measured distances and stunning ocean views, making morning runs or evening walks particularly enjoyable. Table tennis, shuffleboard, and other deck games provide competitive fun for families and friends. The main theater presents Broadway-style productions that rival land-based shows in their production values and entertainment quality. These performances feature elaborate costumes, impressive choreography, and talented performers who often interact with the audience. Comedy shows and live music performances round out the evening entertainment options, ensuring something appeals to every sense of humor and musical taste. Daily activities keep guests engaged from morning until late night. Trivia contests test knowledge on everything from pop culture to maritime history, while dance classes teach everything from salsa to line dancing. Arts and crafts sessions allow creative expression, and cooking demonstrations share culinary techniques and recipes guests can recreate at home. The Cloud9 Spa provides a comprehensive wellness experience that goes far beyond basic massage services. Treatment options include traditional massages, specialized facials, body wraps, and beauty services like manicures and pedicures. The thermal suite features saunas, steam rooms, and heated loungers that provide therapeutic relaxation between spa treatments. Wellness programs extend beyond the spa with group fitness classes, personal training sessions, and educational seminars covering topics like nutrition and stress management. The spa's relaxation lounges offer quiet spaces for reading, meditation, or simply enjoying peaceful moments away from the ship's busier areas. The spa facilities themselves create a tranquil environment with soothing colors, comfortable furnishings, and calming music that immediately reduces stress levels. Professional therapists customize treatments to individual needs and preferences, ensuring every spa visit provides maximum benefit and relaxation. Opening hours typically run from early morning until evening, allowing guests to schedule treatments around their other cruise activities. Advance reservations are recommended, especially for popular treatments and prime-time slots during sea days when demand is highest. Camp Ocean provides supervised activities for children ages 2 through 11, with age-appropriate programming that keeps kids engaged while giving parents opportunities for adult time. The facilities include dedicated play areas, craft stations, and educational activities that make learning fun through games and interactive experiences. Teen lounges cater specifically to 12 through 17-year-olds with video game areas, dance parties, sports tournaments, and social activities designed to help teens connect with peers. The teen programs strike a balance between supervised activities and independent social time that respects developing autonomy while ensuring safety. Family-friendly amenities extend throughout the ship with features like family restrooms, stroller parking areas, and dining venues that welcome children with special menus and kid-friendly seating arrangements. Babysitting services are available for an additional fee, allowing parents to enjoy adult-only venues and activities. The Family Harbor program creates a ship-within-a-ship experience for families staying in designated staterooms. The exclusive Family Harbor Lounge provides complimentary snacks, drinks, and entertainment in a quieter environment where parents can relax while children play safely nearby. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this cruise, you can watch our best cruises playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.